Now there's a special function in the DL2700 or the Trilogy T2 lock that will allow you to locate the actual user number that a pin number is located inside the lock's memory. So what this will allow you to do is pull that information out of the lock so you can either delete that particular pin code or change that pin code. Without knowing where that code is located, what slot that it's in, you will not be able to remove or change that pin code. So it's function 6 inside the programming manual. Now to perform this procedure, you need the master code. So you enter the master code and then hit the AL button, and then you enter the number 6 and then AL and then your pin code. Now you'll get a red and green light flash at the same time, and then you'll get a series of green lights and beeps to indicate the first number in that pin code location. Then you'll get a red and green, and then you'll get a series of green lights and beeps that will indicate the second number in that pin code location, and then you'll get a red and green. So if I want to know where my pin number of 7777 is located, this is how you do it. Enter your master code and then hit the AL and then the number 6 and then the AL and then the pin number of 7777. I get my red and green, flashes of green. That's 4, red and green, then more green. That was 6. So my pin code is located in slot 46. Now I can go in and change or remove that pin from the lock's memory.